Today, we're making the most irresistible focaccia bread, golden and crispy on the outside, soft and airy on the inside, and so addictive your family will be asking for seconds before it even cools down. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment, just your hands, some patience, and lots of olive oil. Let's get started. Ingredients: you'll need 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 1 1/4 cups lukewarm water, lots of olive oil. Trust me, this is the magic for that crispy crust. In a large mixing bowl, pour in your lukewarm water. Add sugar and yeast. Give it a gentle stir and let it sit for about 10 minutes until it's nice and foamy. That's how you know your yeast is ready to work its magic. Now, add the flour to your yeast mixture and mix it together. Pour in a generous splash of olive oil and keep mixing until everything comes together. Add salt. Drizzle a bit more olive oil over the top. Give it one last mix, and you should have a sticky dough. Don't panic, that's exactly what we want. Drizzle a bit more olive oil over the top. Cover it up and let it rise until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen, it's time for some therapeutic folding. Punch the air out gently, then lift the dough up and fold it inwards. Turn the bowl slightly and repeat. Do this 50-60 times. Yes, it's a little workout, but totally worth it. If it sticks to your hands, just wet them with a little water. Brush more olive oil on top, cover, and let it rise again until it's beautifully puffy and airy. Now, here's where the magic happens. We're going to give this bread its signature texture. Generously grease a baking tray with lots of olive oil. The more, the crispier. Transfer your dough into the tray. Drizzle more oil on top and gently stretch it out to the corners. Don't squash out all the air bubbles. Cover and let it rest for 30 more minutes. Time to play. Drizzle a final layer of olive oil. Then use your fingertips to press dimples all over the dough. Add your favorite toppings. Today I'm going for green olives and dried rosemary, but you can add cherry tomatoes, garlic, or whatever makes you happy. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 25 minutes until the top is golden brown and the edges are deliciously crispy. Look at this beauty. Crispy on the outside, soft and airy on the inside, and that smell? My kitchen smells like an Italian bakery. Tell me in the comments, what toppings are you putting on your focaccia? And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another delicious recipe. You can eat it just like this, or slice it in half for a perfect sandwich bread. Either way, it's impossible to stop at just one piece. If you love this recipe, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs more bread in their life. Until next time, take care and happy cooking.